Welcome back. This is module 1, the first video, and we are starting at the very beginning. What exactly is Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud? Why did Salesforce build it? Understanding the story behind NPC will actually make you a better admin because you will understand why things are designed the way they are and why they are different from what came before. So let's get into it. In this video, we are going to cover 5 things: the history of Salesforce and the nonprofit sector, what NPSP was and why it mattered, the limitation that led to NPC being built, what NPC actually is today, and the 4 core pillars that make up NPC. To understand NPC, we need to go back to year 1999 when Salesforce was founded. Right from the scratch, Salesforce founder Mark Benioff launched what became known as the 111 principle or pledge, donating 1% of the company's product, 1% equity, and 1% employee time to nonprofit and philanthropic causes. In 2001, Salesforce.org was created as a dedicated arm of the company focused exclusively on the nonprofit and education sector. This was important because nonprofits had very different needs from the corporate customer. Think about it. A nonprofit key relationships aren't customers, they are donors. Their outputs aren't products, they are programs and services. And their measure of success isn't revenue, it's mission impact and outcomes. Standard Salesforce wasn't built with any of that in mind. So in 2000, let me just go forward. So in 2008, the Nonprofit Success Path or NPSP was created. NPSP was a free managed package, meaning it was essentially a bundle of customization that you could install on top of a standard Salesforce org. Once installed, it added a whole set of non-profit specific features. NPSP introduced the household account model, which allowed you to link family members together. It added donation tracking using Salesforce existing opportunity object. It introduced recurring donations, and it added relationship tracking to understand how contacts knew each other. NPSP became hugely successful. It's been adopted by over 40,000 nonprofits worldwide and is still in use today. NPSP has not been discontinued. This is an important point. The two products will coexist for some time. But over time, as Salesforce evolved and nonprofit grew more sophisticated in their use of the platform, NPSP started to show its limitation. The biggest structural problem was that NPSP was built on top of Salesforce rather than being built into it. This meant that as Salesforce released new features and improvement, NPSP didn't always benefit. Customization had limits because you were working within a managed package. Performance could degrade at scale. The upgrade process was complex. Program management was a completely separate add-on package, and there was no native way to track outcomes and mission impact. Salesforce recognized that the right answer wasn't to keep patching NPSP. The right answer was to rebuild for nonprofit from the ground up. And that's exactly what they did. Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud (NPC) was first announced at Dreamforce in 2022 and became generally available in 2023. The single most important thing to understand about NPC is the architectural difference. NPSP was bolted onto Salesforce as a managed package. NPC is built natively into the Salesforce core platform. It is Salesforce, not an add-on to Salesforce. This distinction matters because it means NPC benefits from every Salesforce platform improvement automatically. It can use every Salesforce tool, Flow, Reports, Dashboard, Einstein, Experience Cloud, without workarounds or limitation, and is designed to scale with organization as they grow. NPC is organized around four core pillars. Fundraising covers everything related to tracking gifts, donors, recurring giving, pledges, and batch gift processing. Program management covers the delivery of programs and services to the people nonprofits serve. Outcome management provides tools to track mission impact. How did the work we did actually make a difference? And case management helps track individual client journey through services. Together, these four pillars give nonprofit a complete 360-degree view of their organization, from who is donating to who is being served to what impact is being achieved. And because NPC is built natively on Salesforce, it connects seamlessly with the broader Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce Flow powers automation within NPC. Reports and dashboard work natively with NPC data. Organization can extend with Experience Cloud for donor portals or volunteer portals. And Marketing Cloud connection are available for email and engagement. This native integration is something NPSP always struggled with the NPC, and NPC solves fundamentally. Let's recap what we covered. Salesforce has been serving nonprofits since 2001 through salesforce.org. NPSP was the first nonprofit solution, a free managed package used by 40,000 plus nonprofit and still in use today. NPC was built to overcome NPSP's architectural limitation by building natively on the Salesforce core platform. It went generally available in 2023, and it's organized around four pillars: fundraising, program management, outcome management, and case management. In the next video, we are going to go deeper on the comparison between NPC and NPSP. If you are coming from an NPSP background, that video is essential for you. And if you have never used NPSP, I will still give you important context about how NPC thinks about nonprofit data.